Alright, hello guys. This is gonna be my lab rat video. I'm going in completely blind, by the way. So every reaction you see here is like totally real. Just letting you know. So let's check out this first because they said they added something new to the summer biome. They're like the snow biome and the what you call it, the wire biome or whatever. So let's check this out. Anything over here? No. Over here. Am I tweaking? Am I missing anything? Oh! What's this? Zone copy? Oh my goodness, I've always wanted that. Yes, I need that. Okay, I'm gonna buy that later, but that is gonna be so helpful. That's just fun. Thought I would have to read that to see. But, so check out other stuff. For some reason my audio is like muffled. Maybe that's like a little glitch or something, but going into HIGI, join this code. Either Polar or me will be in there maybe every once in a while. Just if you want to guys. So let's go check the other rounds. Alright. So we got Spike here. He just called me while I was heading over here. But let's go check out this tech web, because didn't they say they were added something over here?
Yep, two things.
Okay, they got a vote broadcaster. I wonder what that does. Move here.
Right up here.
Oh, what's this? D-latch.
I don't know what it does.
I think I might know what it does, and that might actually be helpful.
Can I show the new gadget?
No, not yet.
Okay.
And I guess there's some more stuff in the snow biome, so let's go check that out.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's a new gadget in here, and let's check it out. Where would it be? It's right here. That looks sick.
Here, the thing broke.
That's cool.
Right here.
I like that.
It doesn't work in play mode. You pull the little pull.
Oh, that's cool.
It only works in creative because of a certain reason.
Okay, I guess. Okay, let's go to my... Oh, didn't they? Yeah, there's a new map. Let's go check that out, and then we'll go check this all out and create a map.
Well, it's a sort of new map.
Okay. So... I guess this is the new map? This is kind of new?
It's not really new.
You can actually see this map already if you go to tag in the community section.
Tap tag, yeah.
Yeah, and this will be here. There's some other stuff that I don't remember being there in the original, so...
Yeah, all the props are new, and also, come down here. Nope, wrong way. Nope, right way.
Oh, it's tap tag, too. This is our first official tap tag map. Oh, this is cool.
It shuffles the music.
Boo!
Hey, I like that song. Excuse me.
And I guess they got a shop here too. Vines. Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah, they also added little vines.
Yeah. Oh, vines.
Hold on, let me turn off my music. Come Boober.
Weird looking stuff down here. Forgot what that does.
Oh, okay. After every round, it randomizes the song. I just saw that over there.
Go back.
You wanna do a real round? I'm gonna get you.
Yeah. You know what that kind of looks like?
Huh, where are you? There you are.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
Distraction. He's gonna tickle my toes. He's gonna tickle my toes.
I can't hit the freaking wall.
No.
Yes.
No.
You failure.
Oh.
That was me. failed. That's what I'll say.
This is where I meant to go.
Hey, where'd you go? Dude, I used to only play this now, so I know every shortcut.
No, I missed. Dang it.
I did too.
No. I'm just running. Yo, this is something.
Wait, where'd you go? Hold on, I'm gonna turn off the music 'cause I can't hear you. Bird.
No! Boom!
Ran into a barrel.
Dang it!
Yeah.
I knew I should have gone that way.
Sold.
That's cool.
There used to be void blocks over
Void
here,
zipline.
but they removed them.
Void block and void zipline and all that.
Oh wait, I don't think they removed the void blocks over here.
Yeah, they're still here.
Let's test.
Alright,
Because why not?
to the wilds we go.
Yeah.
Transition.
I
All
literally ran into the wall, into the same wall 3 times.
Alright, so.
I forgot what the button was for a second.
Ah, oh my goodness. Ah!
Yeah, they completely got rid of all the void blocks.
Ah!
Oh, also something cool. Come here.
Oh my goodness.
It does super good knockback.
Oh man, I can't hold 2.
We're just playing, we're just fighting each other with chainsaws. With active chainsaws. That are destroying everything.
Oops, I accidentally threw mine.
Yes, I have an advantage. Only the active one has good knockback.
Mine wasn't working.
I can only parkour with this hand, or I'm just gonna destroy everything.
Start up!
Struggling? Yeah, you can't let go of it or they'll delete. It'll stop. Oh wait, what? Oh, there we go.
Oh my goodness, that's tough. It's hard.
We are deleting this map at rapid rates. No! I guess this is to see how quickly we can delete the map.
Imagine. That was satisfying. Holy cow. No. No.